everybody, and thank you for tuning in to one of my videos. If this is your first time watching me, my name is Angeline and I am the owner of Angelic Creations. So welcome back to another Christmas DIY video. Not going to do too much talking, so let's jump right into it. Okay, so I found a ornament shape inside of Cricut Design Space. I did size it to my liking and I cut out 4 different pieces. So I have one solid gold, I have 2 in the middle, and then I have a glitter cardstock on the other side. I also printed out my logo. This is one of my logos. So I'm going to be making a Christmas ornament for myself. And we're going to go ahead and start attaching these pieces together. And I'm going to be using some tacky glue. Okay. And I want mine to be a bit thicker. So that's the only reason why I cut out, 2 additional pieces to go in the middle. Because this cardstock is pretty thin and this is 110 pounds. You can tell the difference when you tap on them. So this is how I want this to be really thick. So you can hear how I put that down. Okay, so this is how we're looking so far. And then the next thing would be to add our filler inside. And this is what I purchased from the Dollar Tree. We're going to use these 2 in that hole. Hey y'all, so I went on ahead and added the ribbon to see if I was gonna like it. And I like it because of the gold in there. I think it matches well with the cardstock. And I went ahead and filled up my half of my ornament. And now I'm going to take my hot glue, and I want to place my hot glue around the rim of the half of my bowl. I don't know why I keep saying bowl ornament. I don't want it to get over on the other side. And honestly, I probably could have added a little bit more, but I think this is not bad. And here we go. This turned out really cute. Wow, I like this. This is really cute. And I also have a heart-shaped ornament. Maybe I'll do one with these as well. Let me know in the comment section below if you would like me to do the heart one, and I will definitely record that for you all. And of course it's going to be a little smaller, so I will have to measure and see how big I need to cut my picture out. But I am definitely going to use that as well. This turned out really cute. I like it, y'all. This is very fun. I like it. Turned out cute. Okay guys, so that is the end of the video. And as you can see, I didn't need to do much to the sides. I thought it was going to gush out everywhere, but it's perfect. There's no residue or anything hanging over, so I laid this down pretty good for my first time. Alright, so that's the end of the video, and give it a thumbs up if you liked the video. Make sure you share it with your family and friends if you loved it. But as always, stay tuned because we're coming back with plenty more DIY videos, okay? Take care and have a good one. See you next time. Bye.